Attention foodies and bargain hunters, get ready to go on a treasure hunt at the Crostini restaurant liquidation sale in Turlock, California. Don't miss your chance to inspect the incredible items up for bid on December 15th from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Explore the wide range of restaurant equipment, furniture, and more. From top-of-the-line kitchen appliances to stylish dining sets, there's something for everyone. Don't forget, bidding only takes place online at heismanauction.com. So make sure to register now to secure your spot and get in on the action. Spread the word and share this exciting event with your friends and fellow food enthusiasts.